Volunteer firefighters and EMS work feverishly to free a truck driver trapped in the cab of his tractor trailer that is hauling crude oil. The tractor trailer overturned in the intersection of US 181 North and State Highway 97 East in Floresville. Diesel is leaking from the tanks on the tractor, and a small amount of crude is being expelled from the tank. The highway is shut down just ahead of the late day rush when Floresville High School releases its students and staff for the day. Southbound traffic also is being impacted as a result of the activity.